We have our own factories and offices all over the world. You are welcome to visit. We will provide you with the highest quality products and the best service. What is the self-loading concrete mixer truck? It integrates concrete loading, metering, mixing, transportation, and discharging in one device, which can realize concrete transportation and on-site concrete construction. The device has greatly improved production efficiency, reduced production time and costs, and has the characteristics of simple, fast and easy operation. Self-loading concrete mixer trucks are widely used in the construction industry, especially suitable for working conditions that are far away from commercial concrete backing plant with high concrete demand and poor traffic conditions. What are the functions of the self-loading concrete mixer truck? Self-loading mixer truck can mix concrete on site with driving function. It can be driven by 4 wheels, and has a small turning radius, good environmental adaptability. The use of engineering tires, strong grip and adapt to mountain road conditions. The self-loading truck itself can load sand, gravel, cement and water into the mixing tank, and during the loading process, the sand, gravel, and cement materials can be measured, and water can be automatically and quantitatively added to accurately mix the concrete. The self-loading mixing tank can forwardly mix concrete and reverse discharge. The mixing tank can rotate a certain angle as a whole, and the mixing tank can stand within a certain range to increase the discharge speed. Self-loading mixer truck has water storage and traction function. Advantages of self-loading concrete mixer truck. All major hydraulic components are imported. Save at least 5 labors per day working. No mixer required. Save at least 100 degrees per day. No need for concrete transporter. No loader loading.